San Antonio Real Talk. If you've been thinking about learning to code, but you don't have 4 years or 40 grand to burn, walk with me for a second. Imagine this. In a few months, you're building small apps that solve real problems, automating a boring spreadsheet, creating a simple website for a local business, pulling live data from an API, or even launching your first portfolio project. Not theory, not endless lectures, actual skills you can use and show. That's exactly what the coding career course at Griffin School of Excellence is built for. One evening a week or a short Saturday block, you get hands-on training in the stuff that matters. Python fundamentals, problem solving, web basics, APIs, databases, version control with Git, and how to read documentation without getting lost. You'll ship projects, collect wins, and build a portfolio that proves you can do the work. And yes, beginners are welcome. If you haven't touched math since high school, if you feel not tech savvy, or if you've tried YouTube tutorials and got overwhelmed, this is for you. We start at zero and move step by step, so you always know what to do next. Small in-person classes mean you can stop the room, ask the question, and get an answer in plain English. Here's what that looks like week to week. Early on, you'll write your first scripts, clean, readable Python that makes the computer do exactly what you tell it to do. Then you'll connect to real data, reading files, cleaning them up, and turning noise into something useful. After that, you'll build and deploy a simple web app so your work lives online, not just on your laptop. Along the way, you'll learn how professionals actually work, branching in Git, filing issues, debugging, and pushing code without fear. We also prep you for certification pathways like PCEP and PCAP because employers love seeing a clear signal that you've put in the reps. But the biggest signal is your portfolio, projects that tell a story about what you can do. Think, a budgeting app with visuals, a little API that texts you when a price drops, or a microservice that organizes files for a small business. Real problems, solved cleanly. Now let's talk life stuff. You're busy. You've got work, kids, church, responsibilities. We built this program for real adults with real schedules. It's one day a week for a few hours. Tuition is simple and predictable. A $90 registration and $200 a month. No FAFSA, no loans, no sitting in the back of a massive lecture hall wondering what you missed. What about outcomes? Learning to code changes the way you think. You'll get better at breaking problems into steps, testing ideas quickly, and finishing what you start. Those habits translate everywhere: career, business, even home life. And yes, there are real paths after you finish: junior developer roles, technical support engineering, QA, data wrangling, internal tools, freelance projects for local businesses, or leveling up your current job with automation. If you're hearing this and thinking, maybe next year, let me be straight with you. Classes start the first week of October, and registration is only open through September. Once classes are full or the window closes, the next shot is this time next year. Meanwhile, the people who jump in now will be building, shipping, and getting certified while you're still thinking about it. So here's your nudge. If you want to make a real change without blowing up your life, this is the move. One night a week, clear roadmap, real projects, a team that actually answers your questions, and momentum you can feel. Go to ljgsoe.com and grab your seat today. Don't overthink it. Enroll, show up the first week of October, and let's get you from curious to capable. I can't wait to see what you build.